stock, crypto, credit moves. Good morning, YouTube. Back to add another opportunity to the channel. Shout out to Crypto Corner for dropping that video. I'm one that does quick research. I invest and I get in. So this platform here, it's a baked beans repeat. So it's definitely something you want to check out. It's new, just dropped. So you want to definitely do your due diligence and invest what you can afford to lose. That's the key. Investing is supposed to be fun, like it's a hobby. You know, my emotions is not attached to money. So we learn how to just operate differently. Whatever I put in any of these platforms, I can afford to lose, and I'm still gonna be eating. So look like grandma don't start cooking some rice now. So I'm about to jump in the kitchen and help her cook this rice. You know, we already eating beans. I want to eat some rice too. So I can add some hot sauce on top of it. And I got me a good Southern meal. So let's go into this platform. Let's do a little audit report. Let's check over the audit report and see what information they got available. Because it just came out. They dropped it out. They actually put this together. The smart contract been out about 7 days. Let's check the rice papers out. Tasty rice served on AVAX. Cooked rice. The rice paper. So you're pretty much just going through what cooked rice is. The reason why I say it's a baked beans repeat is the simple daily interest rate is 5 to 8%. So reminding me of beans. Simple DEB fee, 3%. So it gives the impression of baked beans. I'm just willing to jump in and ride the wave. I do quick little research. Check out the smart contracts and just read through the red papers. And it's saying they gave 6 days before you serving. So it's pretty much a baked beans repeat, in my opinion. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just sharing what I do to make that cash flow. If you actually need professional financial advice, I suggest you hire one. This is a public platform where we share. So they're saying just like the contract is immutable, therefore cannot be changed or altered in any way, shape, or form. It's audited and verified. So a lot of these smart contracts, the way they're designed, it should be a little harder for them to run off with the money. But only thing we can do is just go by what's put out, and we go with our gut, and we drop some money in these platforms, and we live with the results. It's showing about their gas fees. Minimum is 0.1 AVAX. There is no minimum deposit. And they're stating that we do not guarantee a 8% a day. It's up to 8%, but it can be 5. So like I said, they're even telling you not to invest more than you can lose. Trying to find. And as you see, some people have already jumped in. It's already at baked beans level almost. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, guys. I'm about to go ahead and pull the trigger. I've seen enough to make an informed decision, and I'm not going to get emotional over this. So let me go ahead and jump in. They actually are on the AVAX chain. So let's go ahead and cook that rice. Earn 12%. So, like I said, give the impressions of a baked beans repeat, but who knows? So I have successfully went in grandma's kitchen and helped her cook some rice to go along with them beans. So we eating real good around here. So like I said, I'm gonna continue to monitor this thing, and if I like it, I'm gonna load the bag. I like to get in early, ride the wave. This thing has a chance to look like it has a chance to run up pretty good. So if you like this information, share, subscribe to the channel, comment. Until next time, let's cook some of that rice.